Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations between 1 and 2 feet. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Areas affected include portions of eastern, northeastern, and southeastern Massachusetts and northern and southern Rhode Island. This includes Boston to Providence corridor. When, from 4 p.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts include visibilities may drop below 1/4 mile due to falling and blowing snow. The strong winds and weight of snow on tree limbs may down power lines and could cause power outages. Whiteout conditions are expected and will make travel treacherous and potentially life-threatening. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions will impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Strong winds could cause tree damage. Here is the